Hello guys, welcome on Tesla Adventures. In this video, we'll be discussing the effect of melting of ice on the level of liquid or water. So let us see this scenario that this is a ice cube which is floating inside the water, and obviously if it is floating then the buoyancy will be balancing the mg. So the buoyancy will be equal to volume of liquid displaced into density of water into g, and it would be equal to mg. Cancelling g with g, volume of liquid displaced will be equal to m of ice upon rho of water. So this is the volume of water displaced by the immersed ice. Now when ice melts, then obviously we know that when ice melts, then the volume of liquid formed, volume of water formed, in fact, because ice is melting, the liquid state of the ice is water. So the volume of water formed will be the mass of ice upon density of water. See, I know that many of you are thinking that the mass of ice and the mass of water would be same or different. See, I know that the density of ice is obviously 0.91 gram per cc, and density of water is 1 gram per cc, which means that the density of ice is smaller than the density of water. And this difference is due to the fact that the ice has some air trapped inside the open cage structure due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and when ice melts, that air gets ejected out from the ice cube, and the liquid formed will be same as water. Now we know that there is no mass of air, hence we can say that the mass of ice melted is equal to the mass of water formed. So therefore I have used the volume of water formed as m ice upon rho w. Now you can see that the volume of liquid displaced by ice cube is equal to the volume of water formed, which means that the displaced volume of water initially is being compensated by the water formed, and hence the level of water will remain same. Level of water will remain same. Water level remains same. Okay, so this is the important concept, and I know that this is somewhat difficult to understand practically, so I'll make you understand in your way. So you can see, if you are thinking that the ice cube which is inside this water is melted, and the liquid formed by this melting is occupying this space, and the liquid formed by the ice melting above the water will increase the water level. So you have done a slight mistake in observation. As I have already discussed, that this ice which is inside the water is also having some amount of air, and that volume of air is exactly equal to the volume of ice outside the liquid. So when the air will escape this ice cube, then that additional amount of liquid or water formed due to melting of the ice part above the liquid will compensate that air volume, and hence the level of water will not change due to the melting of ice. So guys, this was it in this video, and in the next video we'll be discussing some more amazing concepts on buoyancy. Thank you.